Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 for free without invite code and without VPN. Okay, let's get inside guys. If you want to get access to Sora 2, you need to visit Sora.com. This is the website. Okay, and wait, it's still loading guys. And you need to sign into this website with your Google account. So if you want to use Sora, you need to use this website, and maybe Sora isn't available in your country guys, so you will need VPN. If Sora isn't available in your country, you can use this VPN or VPN proxy, and you can change the location to USA. Okay, and then you'll be able to unlock Sora, and here you can generate any image that you want and also video, but for video it's not free. And if you want to get access to Sora 2, you can select join new Sora here, and then you can enter the invite code. But don't worry guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can still use Sora 2 without the invite code and without VPN. Okay, first of all, you can go to this website, sora2.cloud, and you will have 10 credits after you sign up to this website, as you can see. And if you want to earn more credits, you can invite your friends using your invite link. And if you want to use the AI, just describe the video that you want to create. You can also choose image as a reference, and then you can click on generate video. And these are the videos I have generated using Sora 2. And yeah, it looks so cool. And if you want to get it, just go to this website and sign up. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Sora 2 for free without invite and without watermark. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!